For those struggling with a physical handicap, everyday chores can be exhausting. But tonight, we introduce you to a program that believes they can offer relief through the aid of man's best friend. Here's tonight's Community Perspective.
Okay, who's hungry? Who's hungry?
Here we are at Miss Heidi's house, and these are the puppies. 9 were born on a good big dog named Layla.
Heidi Speraza has always believed that animals can offer the best kind of therapy for those dealing with debilitating conditions. At the Vincent Ramos Therapeutic Riding Center in Wellington, she established the Hippotherapy program, which partners disabled kids and adults with horses, and saw the riders go through major emotional and physical transformations. She knew that the success she was seeing could be duplicated with other animals, like dogs.
I've always had a connection with the animals. In college, in a mental health hospital with my occupational therapy background, I was this close to placing a dog in the adolescent unit for mental health when that was not acceptable in the late 80s. But that was almost, so I've always had that connection and the belief.
After years of research and dedication, Speraza's Paws for Liberty has new employees. Her German Shepherd, Layla, delivered 9 beautiful puppies last month. One of these will be going to Steve, a retired New York City police officer who is searching for this kind of help.
This is Steve Carroll, and Steve is, I'm proud to say, on my board of directors. I've been out there and made touch and contacts with people that have attempted to receive service dogs through other organizations, and there's a long waiting list, and it's a process. And I just thought it would be wonderful to help primarily initially some of my clients and friends at Vincent Ramos.
Hello, I'm Jared. I started hippotherapy when I was 5, and the reason I did that was for my problem in my Achilles tendons right here. The hamstrings were too short, and when I tried to hit a growth spurt, it couldn't grow because my tendons were fighting, and they were tight and they didn't want to grow. So then I had the surgery in the Achilles tendons, and then I did hippotherapy to help my legs.
Jared, I have known for over 2 years. He began riding with me at Vincent Ramos in the hippotherapy program, and